Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today we are organizing adhesives of all sorts. So I do have a drawer down here at the very bottom that is full of all sorts of adhesive. I haven't gone through this in a while, so it'll be good to go through that. I'm also going to move this here, that one's got something in, to this drawer. So this is a drawer with my mixed media stuff. So this has got to come out. That's going to go up here. And you would think that would be easy peasy, only I have adhesive elsewhere that I also need to sort out. I also have adhesive tucked in here, including my little including my little Xyron. Yeah. I'm making a mess. I also have refills in these drawers, an extra supplies. Oh, that one's empty. More adhesive and more adhesive. I think that's it. So I've got all of this to sort through as well, and I'll show you what I have over at my desk already. And I also have a bin of more adhesive. So I've got some fancy tape, some foam tape. These are more ATGs. This is liquid glue refill, scotch tape, packing tape. I do have some adhesive in this bin as well that I'm actively using, so it probably wouldn't hurt to go through these as well just to make sure everything is where it needs to go and if anything needs to be replaced. Let me get everything onto my desk so we can do a good sort and figure out exactly what it is I have and what I want to go where. Okay, this is a little excessive. I must be paranoid about running out of adhesive. A couple things like this rubber cement is actually rubber cement. It's hardened up, so that's an easy one. I'm just going to get rid of that. The other thing I didn't mention is that I also do have other adhesives like gel medium and stuff like that in a different place. Because I consider that more for mixed media as opposed to general adhesive that I use for scrapbooking and card making, I'm not really including that. This is here just because it was in the container with other adhesives. So I have double-sided in different types. I've got glue sticks. These are actually staplers, or not staplers, these are actually staples. I've got foam, most of liquid. I've got, what do you call it? Just regular good old Scotch tape. Refills, as well as some empty runners. I will keep one runner from each type. I think I will go online and check and see if that type is still available for purchase. If not, I will dispose of them. Basically, I pick up adhesive runners whenever they're on sale, refills, etc. So it's nice to have the runners available so I don't have to pay for that. But, you know, things come and go. So we will check that. These are, well, this is Distress Micro Glaze, not really an adhesive, but will probably still live in this box area. These are mediums and stuff that need to go with my mixed media. And then ATG, glue dots, some specialty glues and sealant. What is this? This is command hooks. These are double-sided circles. And I got some really old mounting squares and mounting corners. Like, these are old, people. Like, probably circa 1994. But they still work, so they're still sticky, so I will hold on to them. I also kept some blades and stuff in there, which will probably also still continue to live in here. And then I keep some release paper. I would do some different techniques and stuff like that with the release paper, so that is a byproduct of the double-sided tape, this stuff here. Okay, now I need to empty the drawer where this is all going in and then figure out where what is going to live where. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so the desk is clear of adhesives except for the mixed media stuff, which, you know, I still have to tackle one of these days. Let me show you the drawer. So not much has changed here, just reconfigured things. Tried to keep the stuff that I replenish more often or use more often at the front. I have a few items here, just kind of loose. It's okay, it's fine. If I need to pull out this whole drawer, I can to access the stuff at the back. That's what I like about these containers. They are from Organize More. Let's move over to the bookshelf and I'll show you what it looks like there. Okay, so not surprising, I ended up reusing these drawers. I just go through so much adhesive that it doesn't make sense to put that in more long-term surplus storage. So all of these include the extra rolls, etc. I may have to change some of the names, but we're going to talk about labeling another day. My Xyron is here with the extra refills. I do have a refill over in the drawer as well. There's more tape. This one has the command hooks and some Velcro dots. And then there are all my glue sticks. And my ATG and I are still in the outs, so that is living over there. And then all the other big surplus stuff, I filled this container here. And I like how that turned out. I encourage you to take inventory of what you have, rearrange it so it works better for your process, and hopefully makes you a more efficient crafter. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much for joining me, and until next time, happy organizing.